arise when we think about giving the IELTS examination. The first one, what can be the strategies? How to prepare for the examination? Which module is going to be difficult? The listening, reading, writing or speaking? Hello everyone, this is Yesha and I'm an IELTS trainer. I would make sure that I explain each and every strategy with complete explanation and it becomes easy for you to crack the IELTS examination in just first attempt. Let's take speaking today. Speaking has three parts. The part 1, which is related to familiar topics. The part 2, which is called as cue card or the individual long turn. Here you speak on a topic for 2 minutes. And part 3 is the follow-up questions related to part 2. Let's discuss about part 1. How many topics do you feel are familiar to you? Everyday topics or the everyday routine life things that you can associate yourself and you are able to answer if anyone, anywhere asks you a question related to that. The topics can be about your work, your study, your hometown, your country, about shoes, clothes and music, films, or let's say sports, flowers, chocolates. Oh, let's take the topic today, chocolates. Generally, part 1, the examiner asks 4 to 5 questions and she is already expecting a very good answer. So what is your duty? You have to fulfill her expectation. What are the main things to be taken into consideration when you are actually forming an answer? The first and foremost thing is, do speak confidently. Just leave behind the part that is hesitation. Do not hesitate. And even do not give any kind of statements like, I mean, okay, yeah. These are not allowed when you are actually speaking in front of an examiner. The next thing is that you have to keep in mind is give full sentences. No sentences that are incomplete. No sentences that has long pauses. You have to make sure that you know the answer and you are ready to explain the answer with complete sentence. Whether it is a simple, it is a compound or a complex sentence. Doesn't matter. But it should be a complete sentence. Let's take some examples. Let's take 2 questions related to the topic chocolates. The first question is, do you like chocolates? Yes, everyone likes chocolate and I'm one of them. I am restricted to dark chocolates because of my health issues. That's it. Here I have explained that I like chocolates, but I'm restricted to dark chocolates. The next question. Which is your favorite chocolate? My favorite chocolate is Milky Bar. It has less amount of cocoa powder and it completely has a taste of milk. And that is why I like to eat this chocolate or have this chocolate whenever I crave for chocolates. Finish. This is my favorite chocolate. I've explained the reason why it is my favorite and why it actually tempts me or why it actually is mouth-watering for me. So I have made sure that I give full sentences. Do follow our page, like, subscribe for more videos like this, which would give you the exact pattern of explaining the IELTS answers. And also stay tuned for more videos. You can also subscribe with us for some speaking and writing sessions, which would be one-to-one as personal coaching with complete feedback. Thank you so much and do let us know with your comments how you liked this video.